If mornings aren't your thing, these quick and easy campfire breakfast ideas will ensure you start your day off right. Whether you prefer something savory or sweet, there's a delicious option for every camper's taste buds. Let's dive into these mouth-watering breakfast creations. Hard-boiled eggs. Start by boiling a batch of eggs before your camping trip. Store them in a cooler, and they'll be ready to go whenever hunger strikes. Hard-boiled eggs are not only convenient, but also packed with protein, making them an ideal on-the-go breakfast choice. French toast. For a delightful sweet treat, whip up some French toast over the campfire. Dip slices of bread in a mixture of beaten eggs, milk, and a hint of cinnamon. Cook them to golden perfection on a greased cast iron griddle placed over the flames. Serve your French toast with a drizzle of maple syrup or a side of fresh fruit for an extra burst of flavor that's sure to satisfy your morning cravings. Grill with foil. Create flavorful breakfast packets using foil. Fill individual packets with diced potatoes, onions, bell peppers, and crispy bacon. Seal them tightly and place them on a grill over the campfire. Let them cook until the ingredients are tender and infused with smoky goodness. These foil packets are not only easy to prepare, but also make cleanup a breeze, perfect for enjoying a hearty breakfast outdoors without the fuss. By utilizing simple tools like a cast iron griddle and foil packets, you can whip up these delicious breakfast options with minimal effort. Whether you're fueling up for a day of hiking or simply relaxing by the campfire, these recipes ensure you'll have a satisfying start to your day while soaking in the beauty of the great outdoors. So, get ready to elevate your campfire cooking skills and treat yourself to a memorable breakfast experience on your next camping adventure.